As you provide growth and development opportunities to your team, you may find yourself sharing resources like podcasts, training videos, or digital PDFs. Learning is a great way to have visibility into who's viewing those resources and to collect responses on what's being shared. This will also help your employees track the opportunities that they're engaging in, as it can be linked to reviews through reflections as evidence of the work they've done. When viewing your learning module, you'll have the option to create a new learning or to pull from our template library. You'll see that your team can start to build their own resource library if there are certain resources that you revisit often. But leader users will also see a curated by leader library where there are some resources we've created and pulled together. If you have the Leader Advantage, you'll see an additional tab for Curated by Patrick Lencioni with exclusive content from the table group. To create a new learning, you'll need a link to the resource that you're sharing. Click New Template and you'll be able to select if you're sharing a single learning or creating a learning playlist. We often see these utilized for things like new hire onboarding, book studies, or leadership growth tracks. You can start from scratch or start with the template from our library. When starting from scratch, you'll need a title, a link to the content. You can add an introduction and a due by date if you would like, and then you are required to add at least one question in order to send out the learning. These can be simple comprehension questions like what's your biggest takeaway or any questions. Once you've added your desired questions, you'll have the ability to drag and drop to reorder as needed or edit and change any of the wording. Once you're finished, this will be ready to save and send out to your participants. You can select all or you can search by name and send to particular team members. They'll be notified by email after you send out the learning that there's a learning for them to complete inside of their leader platform. To view responses to learning assignments that you've sent out, you'll want to toggle over to your Sent tab. This will separate learning assignments that you've sent into incomplete if they're still in the works or complete if it's been finished by all of the assignees. Click back into your desired assignment to view the responses. You can separate these by question or by person, and just like with feedback, you have the ability to add responses to upcoming meetings. Assignments that have been sent to you will live on your main Learning Received dashboard, and you can assign learnings to yourself. Learning is a great way to coach your team members to reach their full potential. Let us know how we can help you get started.